How to set project resolution in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive on your computer. Once the program is running, go to the top menu and click on Project. Then select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Project Settings window, you will see a section called Select a Profile Preset of the project. This is where you can set your project resolution and frame rate. Here you will find several preset options like SD 1080p 30fps, SD 720p 60fps, 4K USD and many more. Choose the one that best fits your project requirements. If you want to create a custom resolution, click on Manage Profiles and then select Create New Profile. Here you can enter a custom width, height and frame rate based on your specific needs. After selecting or setting your desired resolution, click Save Profile and then click Close. Now, in the Profiles box, you will see your custom resolution. Click on it, then hit OK to apply. Your project is now set to the resolution you selected and you can start editing with the correct settings. And that's it. Now you know how to set project resolution in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.